In this video, I am going to show you how to do the unboxing and complete setup of Canon PIXMA G2270 all-in-one printer. This is a ink tank printer and you can print up to 6000 black pages and 7700 color pages with this printer. You can print up to 11 pages black pages per minute or 6 color pages per minute. So let's do the unboxing and we will do the complete setup. So it comes with the 4 ink bottles, number 21, two print heads, so black and color print head. So that's everything we get with this printer. To connect the power cable, go to the side of the printer, plug in the power cable here, switch on the printer, press the power button. Next step is to install the print heads. For that we have to take the print heads out of the box and remove the seal at the bottom. Also remove this top seal. So we get set of two print heads. Take the second one, remove the top seal, also the seal from the bottom. To install them, we have to lift this section up. Printhead system will move and come to the middle. Now place your finger at the bottom and lift this section up. Next step is to install these printheads. Place color on the color side, so that is C. Just the back side will go fast. Then comes the black. Now we just have to close it, so press it down and you will hear a lock sound. Next step is to install the color ink and the black ink. Let's start with the yellow. Lift it, remove the seal, place it here. Once it is completely full, you can just remove the ink bottle. Close it, go for next. Remove it. Close this and go for the next. Close it. Go. This is big in size, so you will see the bottle size here. Remove the bottle. Now we have to lift this up. Automatically it will close. Good. Next step is to load the paper. Paper tray is at the rear. Once you load the paper, just confirm if it is A4 size or letter size. That is here, and press OK. Press OK. Once you see the 0, that means the printer has finished its initial setup. For the further setup, we have to connect this printer with your Windows laptop. Connect the printer and the laptop using the printer data cable. So one end goes here and the other end goes at the back of the printer. Back of the printer, just here. Go to the laptop screen, open the web browser. Type in Canon IJ setup. Open the Canon website, Canon official manuals, welcome. Click on the setup start here. Type in printer model number G2270. Select it, go. That is our printer. Click on the start button. Select setting up a new printer. Click on the download. Open. Download the Canon print app. Click on the open. In Windows 11 you get the option to use the app. Here we have to add the printer. So click on the add printer icon. Click add printer. Click yes. Make sure the printer is turned on. Click on the next. Select Canon 2070 series. That's the series of this printer. Click next. Wait for the drivers to download. Next step is to do the printhead alignment, that is recommended. Click next. That is the automatic printhead alignment, that is done. Click on the next so we can start using it for printing and scanning. That's what it says. Setup is complete. Restart now. The laptop will restart. Now we can open the Canon print app. For that, go to the search section. Click on the Canon print and then open the Canon print. On the top we can see our printer Canon G2070 series. Let's do the printing. Select any document to print and then click on the print icon. Let's do the scanning. For that we have to place a page in the scanner. Place it facing down on this corner. In the app section you will see the scan icon. Just click on it and then click on the scan. It has started to do the scanning. Scan is transferred. If you want, you can save it or you can share it. Let's do the copy. For that we can just open the lid, place a page facing down for the copy, and then you can click on the setting icon to select how many copies you want. You can do 1, 2, 3 like that, and then click if you want color or black. Automatically it will start the copy process. That's the complete setup of the printer. This printer is not a wireless cable, so you have to use a printer USB cable, and that you have to buy separately. It doesn't come with the printer. Once you connect it with your laptop, then you can start using it after downloading the drivers. Thanks for watching.